Okay, so I'm currently headed downtown. It's kind of gloomy today. It's 11 a.m. and I don't know, we're gonna shoot with the Lomography 800. We're gonna take some street photos because I bought a hot shoe mount and I can now connect my phone. I mean, my phone is now on top of the camera, so I can take a video while shooting street. It's kind of gloomy today, and I kind of want that. I mean, I am shooting 800 ISO, so it's good for low lighting. And I don't know, I just want that melancholic vibe that I did in this photo. Yeah, this old man that I took a photo of, it was actually raining when I took this photo. Yeah, before I forget, I actually shot 10 photos like last week, so I only have like 26 shots, but that's sufficient enough because yeah, I barely even find subjects to photograph here because I live in a small city in the Philippines, and yeah, it's really hard, and you get noticed easily because you don't see like a random dude taking photographs every day here, so yeah, it's kind of harder too, so it takes guts. And these are the photos that I shot if you want to see them. Okay, so this is our setup. Almost got hit by a motorcycle. I've only been walking for like 11 minutes and I saw 6 shots already. I think they're all interesting. That was sneaky. Look at this. All the colors work so much. Park is beautiful today. No people, which means if I ever see a subject to shoot, it's just isolated. There's nothing going on in the park. It was boring. Just the same old, same old. But it is the first time that that bench was isolated, so yeah. The sun's kind of out now. Didn't even rain, so the weather forecast was kind of wrong. Okay, I just realized why there are a lot of people. Today's actually a holiday, so there are actually no offices today because it is a holiday. And yeah, and most of the people are out. And I'm fucking tired, man. I've been walking for like an hour, and it's in this very hot long sleeve. It's made out of a thick fucking corduroy, man. It's very hot. I'm also wearing a beanie, so it is hot, but it's okay. I do not know what to take a photo of now. It's, there are no people now because it's lunch. Everybody's probably out eating lunch or something. Yeah, but anyway, I really don't know now. Why did I take a photo of that dog? So I'm done. Slowed it down. It's back in its canister. So just gonna put it here because I left the canister at home. And yeah, I'll see you next video.